Okay, good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. They will be giving you guys back-to-back updates, and also you can join the free signal, which is totally for free. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So if you are interested in taking trade, especially GBP trades, right? Go to the comment section, click on the link to take you to the Telegram channel. Just subscribe for free, totally free, and get to take a trade for free. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the 27th of August on GBPJPY. So let's start with our food trend on GBPJPY. So we clearly can see that this food trend is actually on an uptrend move. We all know that markets tend to give us three movements, either uptrend, downtrend, or a ranging market move. So our overall trend on GBPJPY is literally on an uptrend move. So that is why we can see we are going up. But if you take a look at it also here, it is clearly still an uptrend move. So that is why it is still trending to the upside. But if you have to go to your 4-hour time frame, you'll see that market is ranging. That is current trend. Our main trend is an uptrend, by the way. So our current trend is a ranging market move. So you clearly can see that market is ranging within this level. So we clearly can see that once markets push up to our resistance level, we tend to see it drop again to our support level, then another push up to the resistance, and then it dropped to our support, which push up and it came back to it our support level. So we all know the next movement we'll be expecting is another push up to the upside. Basically, we'll be expecting further movements to the upside on GBP, JPY. So let's roll down to the 1-hour time frame. So whatever you would want to do on GBP, JPY is literally a buy. So we are currently trading at 198. We should be expecting it to hit a level of 199,280. This should be our target on GBPJPY, which is a level of 199,280. So to get more updates, you need to follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section.